There's one. He's right.
Hey, what do you think this is?
Guess what? I'm running.
Get it off! Get it off!
Does anybody have katanas?
Where am I?
Everybody, go to the top of the ship.
What's this?
Because I want to help them too. We got some people coming your way. Broski, come here! Bro, we have people.
What the hell?
To the top of the ship now. I need my... You missed a shot. Bro, hurry up, turkey.
Oh, I like this.
Who are we?
And then I'll have this in my bag.
We have a business contact on 2 people coming up. Black dude attack.
Oh my! Goodbye!
What is this?
I'm leaving this place.
There's 8 people at the unknown area. I'll be... What is this? What is this over here?
Oh shoot!
Yo.
Mr.
When you promise to
Mr.
take the
Skeleton.
black bag when I drop it,
Over here.
Yes. No.
Mr. Skeleton, over here.
promise not to take it. Look at you. Give
Over
me it
here,
back.
Mr. Skeleton.
Give me it
I want to
back.
ask you something.
Oh shoot.
Give me it back. Please. I can literally do this. Trust me. I can
Guys,
give you
I need
2
two
if you
people
give
to
me it
give
back,
me
and I'll do
rockets.
this.
Give me
Promise.
rockets, please. We have a
No,
code
like the
red.
whole bag.
It's an emergency, bro. Give me 2 rockets.
shoot.
It's
Thank
emergency.
you. Now,
Why you
I
need
need
to
two
run?
rockets.
Don't
It's
take
emergency,
it,
bro.
okay?
We got a code
When I
red.
hand it back,
I need you to
come
help
on.
me fight.
What's the code red?
There's people into our base. My base.
You guys?
I'm gonna bring some RPGs, Coach.
What is this? Should I jump in? Oh. Wait. Oh. Didn't do damage. Ooh. Oh, it's good. Nice in there.
Which guys I'm bringing RPG to kill turkey.
Ah! No!
Here, we got a code red.
I don't feel like it's safe in there.
I'm
I think it's too hot.
Oh, guys, we have.
Oh shoot.
I don't
Go
care.
up.
Turkey anyway.
I said go up.
Hey, we're code red. Blue.
I
They want to kill me. I'm trying to kill turkey. I'm trying to kill us. Turkey, come here. I need my axes. I'm questioning where this is happening.
What is up here? No! Huh? What's in here?
The captain sees a sound.
I need to find what is at the top of this. Okay, nothing. That's not good enough. No.
Maybe try to turn it, but the ship is broken.
Maybe it is good enough. There we go. Oh, I'm getting up here. Oh shoot.
Hey, turkey!
I spent $2,000 on that.
I swear I spent $1,000 or $2,000.
No, hell no. I'm getting
Dude, we have a party.
Yeah, I spent it.
Give me that, bro. We got locked in, bro.
I'm getting my gear.
Oh!
I'm getting my 2 gear to kill that hermit crab.
Give me some gear. Hey,
I'm gonna go
Don't
mining.
have shotguns to walk.
Let's go mining.
I do. It's just that I'm going for shop for revolvers. Plus they're cheaper. And
That's...
dang, didn't want a whole cheap ammo. I'll get more bullets and ammo.
What is this? What does this do?
That's like a monster tablet. I just gotta wait until I need these, and then I can get the hell back
I'm
up.
changing my mind. I want to go to the forest. Now, where the heck is the forest? That way is the lake. This way is the forest. All right.
Yo, can I have one of these?
Bro, I don't hear your voices. Hey, you. Hey, you. Okay, yeah. Don't want to miss. Oh, we friends, right? We friends.
I'm coming back.
Woo!
I'm coming back. Y'all behind. We have a COVID.
Oh shoot! Oh no! Ah! Get out of here and never come back! Yeah, I'm gonna use you as my wood source. Yeah, you heard me, right? No, come back here.
Tiger,
Yeah, you heard me.
Ew, right?
Move! Or else I'm turning you into my dinner also. You know I do eat wood.
I have shotgun
Yeah.
and walk.
Hey, you heard me right. Yo, be quiet. I'm trying to make a video.
That was easy.
Just die.
That was too easy, bruh. That was very easy, like seriously. I don't
Just die.
kind of shit. Hermit Shepherd, I'm so sorry, but
Let me record my video.
I was just gonna be fair. You killed that one guy and
Yeah.
kind of get revenge.
But no, someone else kill him, not me.
Good.
No, kill him, not me.
Boys,
Yeah.
Did someone kill what?
I need some wood.
That black guy or what?
Oh my gosh.
I'm not killing turkey ever again because they shoot me with 2
He died.
pistols.
He died. Let's go. It's all happy now. Send help! Oh, where am I? Hey. Oh my. Okay, so that's what happened. Okay.
There you go.
I'll come back for revenge.
Can you give me, do you have axes unlocked?
What should I buy to kill?
Do you have those red axes unlocked?
No, sorry. I'm a noob.
Do you know anybody that does?
No.
Yeah.
Do you have red axes unlocked? Wait, red. Red, do you have the axes unlocked? No, you don't? Do you have the axes unlocked? The axes that people buy? Can I have one?
I'm back! Better than ever. I think my fire might be out. Oh. What is that?
All team members! Hug! Hug! What's the camper?
Hey, that's where my stuff is.
Yeah, that's a dead we full of hitting the ground.
Hello there, Yellow.
Hello.
How would you feel about being a part of a group of cannibals? I am the co-leader of the cannibal organization. All we do is there's some traitors
I forgot
who eat us,
our thing is
so
in there.
we eat them, and this is the safest spot we can find if they wouldn't know we're here.
God, heck, yeah. Guys, he's coming, he's coming.
Oh, too bad. The boys have already started making their way here. So what you doing?
Die!
Do it. I don't want you to end up like the rest of them.
Oh shoot! Sorry. Sorry,
Sorry,
Lola. Sorry.
Because after you kill me, then I'm gonna kill you, and then you're gonna kill me back, and it's gonna be an endless cycle like it's been for the past 50 minutes.
Who is this?
That's
that's
our guardian.
How about somebody be... Report this guy, report this guy, bro. He said...
Oh yeah, that's.
leader of the cannibals.
I totally didn't try killing him earlier. I mean, I gave him hugs.
Okay. Sometimes we do kill him from time to time because we use him as a training post
Oh.
to test our new weapons. But we should be here any minute. Just please tell him that you're on our side.
I'm on your side, little bro. Is that good?
Oi! What you doing?
Okay.
Run! Hello. We has new member. Yippee!
Ooh, ah!
Ye new member.
Whoa! I can tell that he got blinded.
No, sorry, my mic just got muted.
Oh.
I thought you were a spy.
I cussed that kid out.
I thought you were a spy for a second.
I think Turkey's coming
No,
back.
so you remember
I think
me,
Turkey's
Red?
coming back.
Me, Red.
That's
I know,
what
I
I
did, but you
think.
were acting kind of strange. And normally